Hey there, this is John with Lead Capture IO. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly get your lead capture forms working with Wix. So let's just jump right into it. I'm inside of the Lead Capture IO platform here. I'm just going to quickly create a lead capture form. Let's go with just a basic roofing form. I'll click choose. Now for this form, the way that I'm going to approach this is I'll just embed it right into this section here. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings and make sure that the form mode is set to embed it. Or you could also have it set to be either embedded or pop up by clicking the all selection. But for this case, we're just going to embed it. I'll click save. Now at this point, there's just two lines of code that you need to copy and paste into Wix. The first line of code is your pixel script. So expand this section, we're in publish, and click on copy token. Copy this token, then go back into Wix. Then you're going to go to add, click on the plus sign, and look for embed code, and then choose embed HTML. Click the plus sign, and this will create this box and just drag it to wherever you want your lead capture form to appear, expand it, and then paste this pixel script in. Click update, and then there's just one more line of code that you need to add. Go back into Lead Capture IO. So we've already grabbed this pixel script. The next thing that we need to do is go down to choose behavior options, expand embed lead form, and then scroll down to this section right here where you see div class equals lead forms dash embed form. Copy this code, go back into Wix, go right below your pixel script, and paste this line of code in. Take out the second div here and click update. And you'll see the form automatically appear on your page. Expand it so that way it's sized properly for where you want it to appear inside of Wix. Click publish, view site, and then you'll see the form load. I'll just refresh again. Now, if you find that there's a little bit of a delay, what you can do is go back into Lead Capture IO, go down to raw code, expand, click generate raw code, and you can copy this huge code block here and add it into Wix as well. And what this will do is it will speed up the form so that way you have a near instant load time. The only downside to using the raw code is anytime that you go and update your lead capture form, you're going to need to regenerate the raw code and add it back in. So I'll just click update and then publish just to make sure the changes are published. And then refresh, and there's the form. So now that we got the form working, the next thing I just want to quickly highlight is how to add your lead capture form to Wix if you're looking to have it pop up. So in this case, let's just go back to Wix here, and I'll remove all of this code that I just added. I'll just pause this real quick while I remove. Okay, so you can see that the section here is blank. So we're going to go back into Lead Capture IO. We'll go to settings, and then since we want this to pop up, we're just going to choose pop up here. Save. I also want the on-site message to appear. It's the little widget that appears in the bottom right-hand corner, and I have that enabled. Then go back into Lead Capture IO. Now in this case, all you need to do is copy just the pixel script and add that in. You do not need the embed code. So copy this, go back to Wix, paste this script in, click update, publish, and you'll see it appear here, but go to the actual live page and then just refresh, and then you should see the lead capture form appear here. Now it's kind of appearing in a weird spot, but I think that has to do with where I embedded it into Wix. So you'll just have to play around with the placement a little bit, but you shouldn't have a problem getting it working. If you do, then just reach out to us at support@leadcapture.io, and we will definitely help you out. Now, one quick thing to note is the way that the system knows what form to show is by this line of code right here. So this is a unique token that's associated with the form. So if you were to create a completely different form and embed it on a different page, then it would just be looking at this token to determine the difference. So that's how we're able to associate your lead capture form to what's actually appearing on the page. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out. Always happy to help you out. Thanks.